Did you know you can create stunning art by combining just two colors? Stick around, and I'll show you how I did it. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how I drew a maracas using two simple colors, black and orange. This combo gives the design a clean yet vibrant look. Let's dive in for this drawing. I kept it simple but added a pop of color. I started with a black pen for the main structure and details, and then I used an orange pen to add a vibrant touch. The orange really made the design come to life and added some energy to the final look. Here's how I did it. Start with the basics. I began by sketching the main shape of the maracas using the black pen, keeping the proportions right. Add the details next. I refined the black lines, making them bold and sharp to define the structure. Bring in the color finally. I used the orange pen to add highlights and accents. This created a cool contrast and made certain parts of the drawing stand out. If you're liking this tutorial so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me out and keeps the content coming. Let's enjoy some music while we work.
Where no trail has shown, paths unfolding where the seeds are sown. Through the currents carved into the stone, a brighter pulse begins to take its toll. Hands are steady as they find the way. Through the streams we will never stray. Every road creates another spark, guided forward from the deepest mark. Feel the shift, it pulls so near. Through the haze the view grows clear. In the depths of flame we store, now it's rising even more. We rise together standing strong. Every voice becomes our song. Through the wave the course we pave, a brighter dawn, a life to save.
I made this track myself using Suno AI. It's a super fun tool that lets you create music in just a few clicks. Want to learn more? Drop a comment, and I might make a video about it. A quick tip for combining colors: when using two colors, try to use one for structure and the other for highlights or accents. The contrast will make your design pop and look more dynamic. And that's it, a bold maracas drawing using black and orange. I hope this gave you some fresh ideas for your next project. Remember, even small color additions can completely transform your art. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to draw next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.